If you have a bunch of leads coming through, you should have a lead scoring system in place. This is something which is used by pretty much every major company. Google, Apple, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, all these companies have lead scoring systems. And now with AI becoming a lot more accessible to smaller sized businesses, this is definitely something you can also implement to make more sales and help you focus your time and attention on the leads which actually align with your ideal customer profile. So this system automatically ranks new leads from 1 through 10, so you would always know which leads are worth your time and which ones aren't worth your time. We can also build automated systems off the back of these rankings. For example, if the lead aligns perfectly with your ICP, we can route them through to your sales system, but if they don't align with your ICP, we can redirect them into a nurture sequence. So this is a really powerful system helping you save tons of time. And here's a demo of how it works. So I've built a quick lead capture form within Tally, just asking a few bits of key information. And you can of course capture leads in a different way, for example, providing value with a lead magnet. But in this scenario, we're simply obtaining their name, website URL, and LinkedIn URL. So we can go ahead and fill in our form, and we will be using Richard Branson just as an example. So we'll fill in his name, his website, and also his LinkedIn URL. And we can just go ahead and click next here. So this will automatically trigger our make scenario. As you can see, it's currently running. So this make scenario starts by scraping their website and scraping data from their LinkedIn profile and feeds that data into a ChatGPT completion step where we've specified the ideal customer profile. This step then spits out a score from 1 to 10, where 1 is a low quality lead and 10 is a high quality lead. And it also outputs a reason as to why it's decided to allocate that score. And then that data is fed into a Google Sheet where we keep track of all of the leads. So Google Sheet acts as the CRM that we've chosen to use, but you can of course choose to use HubSpot, High Level, Airtable, or any other CRM platform that you're using. So if we go ahead and look at the Google Sheet, we can see Richard Branson here, and he's been allocated a score of 2 and also a reason as to why that score has been allocated. So we can also add several other steps off the back of this initial system here. So for example, if the lead ranks higher than a 7, we can immediately notify your sales team, or if you're using an AI sales assistant, we can automatically pass the lead over to that sales assistant. But then if the lead ranks lower than 7 or lower than a certain number, we can pass them through a nurture sequence instead, so your sales team doesn't have to spend time on a low quality lead. So if you have any questions about how this automation works, feel free to drop a comment down below or send me a DM and I'll send you further details. Thanks.